Check 1 2. Check 1 2. Check, check, check. Bonjour. Mino Gigajabe. Good morning. Hello, good morning. Welcome to the show. Welcome to Boozhoo, NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. My name is Michael Lyons, and this here is Natasha. Bonjour, Gakita Awia. Hello, everybody. Welcome to the show. All right, Michael, should we get things started? Yeah, whenever you're ready. All right. It's time to start the music. It's time to light the lights. It's time to get things started. On the most sensational, inspirational. Hey, James Shacklebay is here. Bonjour, James. What's going on, my brother? My brother from another mother? No. It's time to start the music. La 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 la. Do 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 do. On the most sensational, inspirational, celebrational. Jim Dunn! What's going on, Jim? Do you like my big glasses? I kind of feel like Elton John. Joan Frame, good morning. How you doing? How's everybody feeling today? No. La la do 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 do. Bonjour, everybody. Where are my gold stars? I gotta get a gold star for There we go. Gold star for James Shacklebay. Let's see where's his name. Here we go. And Jim Dunn with a peel off a little silver star. Jim Dunn gets a silver star, and Joan Frame gets a bronze star. And a bronze star for Joni, little Joni. Little Joni is a friend of mine. We get some money and we buy a cheaper wine. Sit on the corner and have a holiday. Anyway, hey, before we go any further, you know who I want to thank? I really want to say Miigwech. Today's Ojibwe word of the day. Miigwech. Thank you, Nicholas. Please, Bert. Once again, Nicholas, you're a total rock star. Nicholas contributed to our GoFundMe campaign and signed up on Patreon. I can't tell you what great timing you have, Nick. Everything's fine. We paid the bills. We paid the rent. Later on today, NANABOOZHOO and I are going to go to the food shelf, pick up some groceries. Everything's good. And on top of that, we got our Boozhoo crew members and people who are supporting the show, so we really appreciate it. I want to say on behalf of Michael Lyons and NANABOOZHOO, who's not here right now, by the way. Miigwech, thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you to everyone who's giving us thumbs up, subscribes, who shares the videos. Old what's-his-name shared our video yesterday on his Facebook page, and it's like, oh, that really gave it a lot of traction. Anyway, NANABOOZHOO is, I think he's going to go to the moon this morning. He's with Stephen A. Leon. You know that alien? Maybe I can call him up. Boop, 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 boop. Bleep, bleep. Bleep, bleep. Bonjour.
Hey, sweetie.
Hey, Natasha. We're just about to take off.
You and Steve are going to take off for the moon?
Yeah, I'm in his spaceship. Oh, cool. Well, have fun. Give me a call when you want me to. Is he gonna drop you off or? I'm thinking we're probably gonna go to the moon, but yeah, I'm probably gonna need a ride or a pickup from the moon. He's just gonna drop me off there. Okay, give me a call when you want me to teleport you home from the moon. Okay then. Roger that, sweetie. Roger that. Over and out. Okay, over and out. NANABOOZHOO. He's with Steven. All right. You ready for this? I am quite ready. Whenever you are, NANABOOZHOO. Okay. Okay, hey, Boozhoo. And welcome back to the show. Welcome back to Boozhoo NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and space travel. This is Stephen A. Leon. Ikadon Boozhoo. Stephen, say hello. Hello. Boozhoo Gakina Awia. Hello, everybody. It is quite an honor to be here today. Ha. Okay. Well, we made it. The Dibik Geesis, the nighttime sun. You know, in Ojibwe, that's what they refer to the moon as the nighttime sun. Yeah, the Geesis is the sun, and the moon is the Dibik Geesis. Ah, that's very interesting. Very interesting indeed. Why try? Oh no, why? This feeling inside me says it's time I was gone. Clear head, new life ahead. It's time I was king and not just one more pawn. Fly by night away from here. Change my life again. Fly by night, goodbye my dear. My ship isn't coming and I just can't pretend. Moonrise, thoughtful eyes, staring back at me from the window beside. No fright or hindsight, leaving behind that empty feeling inside. Fly by night away from here, change my life again. Fly by night, goodbye my dear. My ship isn't coming and I just can't pretend. Start a new chapter, I'll find what I'm after. It's changing every day. Change of the seasons, enough of a reason to want to get away. Quiet and pensive, my thoughts apprehensive, the hours drift away. Leaving my homeland, playing a lone hand, my life begins today. Fly by night away from here, change my life again. Fly by night, goodbye my dear. My ship isn't coming and I just can't pretend. My ship isn't coming and I just can't pretend. My ship isn't coming and I just can't pretend. Oh, ladies and gentlemen, on the guitar, Michael Lyons. Thanks. Today's Ojibwe word of the day is Dibik Jesus. The night sun. The moon. In Ojibwe, we call the sun the Jesus. And we call the moon the Dybbuk Jesus. And hey, Stephen, will you do me a favor? I'd be delighted to do you a favor, NANABOOZHOO. What would you like me to do? Could you teleport me down to the surface of the moon? Sure. Let me see. To the surface of the moon, eh? All right. And that'll be one to teleport. Well, yeah, just me. Yes, of course. But you must say, make it so number one. Oh, right. Make it so number one. Oh, thank you, Stephen. Oh, look at that. Mama Aki, Mother Earth. It must be morning because the earth is rising. All right, I'm just going to put out a little tobacco. Say a prayer from the moon. I'm a little closer to heaven. I better say a prayer. Hello, Great Spirit. Boozhoo, gitche manadu. Accept my tobacco. Odapanan niwi asema. Thank you for my life. Miigwech gabamadaziyan. Help me to speak well today. Witukawishin. Ando minowe nungum. Amen. And this has been an Ojibwe prayer from the Dybbuk Jesus, from the moon. Dybbuk Jesus, the nighttime sun, night sun. We call the sun the Jesus, and we call the moon the Dybbuk Jesus. It's old grandmother moon. And I guess the sun, that makes the sun our grandfather. And it makes the moon our mom. Who's our dad? Well, I guess the creator. The Great Spirit is our father. Nusana wakwing abian. Nusana wakwing abian. Our Father who art in heaven. That's how they start that prayer in Ojibwe. You want to say, Our Father, Nusana. But anyway, I guess I better go on home. See what that old Natasha's up to. Boop, 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 boop. Beep, beep. Beep, beep. Boozhoo. Hey, sweetie. Hi, NANABOOZHOO. What are you doing? I was out with Steven, and he dropped me off at the moon. But I was thinking about coming home. Oh, sure, I'll pick you up. Let me scan for your coordinates. Okay. And let's see, lock it in on your coordinates. Okay. And that's 1 to teleport. Make it so, number 1. No. Hey, baby doll. Oh, hi. How you doing? I'm pretty good. Got teleported kind of close to the wall. And oh wow, you look cute. Ah, get out of here. Ladies and gentlemen, Natasha, the lovely and the talented. Boozhoo, Gakina Awia. Hello, everybody. All right. So, what do we got going on? Not much. You want to do a live stream? Yeah, let's do a live stream. All right. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Natasha. Oh, wow. Don't Oh, forgot about this. I'm begging you to stay, 'cause I'm gonna miss your love. Please don't go. Oh, really? Why? Because I'm gonna miss your love. The minute you walk out that door. But I gotta go to work, honey. No, I'm gonna miss your love the minute you walk out that door. Hey, everybody.
Okay.
Won't you consider becoming a patron? Patron?
No, that's not right.
Patron.
Yeah.
I can't even say it. Please become a patron saint and support Boozhoo NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. Click the links in the description to our Patreon page. And if you become a $25 a month Boozhoo crew member, it's an exclusive club. It's going to cost you some junia, some money. No. You'll get a coffee cup.
Oh.
You can put your black medicine water in there. Muckade mush kiki wabu. Muckade mush kiki. See, you're already learning Ojibwe. Muckade mush kiki wabu. Black medicine water. Oh, that's really good black medicine water, sweetie.
Is it?
Yeah.
What's so different about it this morning?
Actually, it's because it's instant.
This is instant coffee?
Yeah.
I thought I was drinking, fancy brewed coffee. And you gave me, what was it? Folgers Taster's Choice crystals?
Yeah, that's a cup of Folgers Taster's Choice crystals. Remember that commercial?
Yeah, I remember every commercial.
Why is that? Why do we remember every commercial? It's like a jingle. It just gets stuck in your brain. Every day of my life, I can't stop singing the stupid Muppet Show theme.
It's time to start the music.
It's time to light the light. I mean, come on. Bring, 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 bring.
Oh, hang on, baby. We got a call here. Okay, hey, Boozhoo. Welcome to Boozhoo NANABOOZHOO. This is NANABOOZHOO speaking. Oh, Rocky? Oh, I mean Sly? Yeah, you could be on the show. You want to talk to Natasha? Yeah, hang on. I'm going to transfer you. Sweetie, Sly Stallone is on line 2.
Oh, cool. Hey, Sly, welcome to the show.
Hey, yo, Natasha, how you doing?
I'm doing great. How are you?
Hey, not too bad. I can't complain. I mean, listen, I'm going to tell you something you already know.
What's that?
Life, it ain't all sunshine and roses.
That's true.
But, if you can get up on your feet, keep moving forward, that's how winning's done.
That's what I hear. That's how winning's done.
And old Nick Pleasebird, he came through for you again?
Yeah, good old Nick. Nick's kind of cashy. He's pretty loose with his cash.
Yeah, he's all right, if you see him again, tell him old Sly Stallone says thanks. I'd give you some money myself, but I ain't got none no more.
You don't have any money?
No, I got divorced. The old lady, she took it all.
You're kidding.
Yeah. I mean, I had millions of dollars and all that, but then I got a divorce, and she had a better lawyer. So now I'm back living in that same old apartment when I was young, and I still got them stupid turtles.
You don't like your turtles? What were their names? Cuff and Link?
Yeah, old Cuff and Link. Listen, I didn't know. I just bought them turtles because I was trying to flirt with Adrian, right? But then I didn't realize they'd live to be 60 years old or something.
Yeah.
Things have been stinking up my apartment. Yeah, it's all right. But I got my new puppy, I call him Butkus. So I say hi, Butkus.
Yeah, sure. Put him on the line.
Hey, Butkus, say hello to Natasha.
Ruff, ruff, ruff.
Yeah, it's a good puppy. How do you say puppy in Ojibwe?
Well, in Ojibwe, it's anamunts. Anamunts. And anamush is a dog, and a little dog is a anamunts.
Onimunts. Yeah, I should have named him that. But he's not a little puppy anymore. He's a big dog. And we're going to go on our run. I'm just going to take a drink of eggs. Big glass of half a dozen eggs. And then I'm going to go on a run. And after that, maybe for lunch. You want to come to lunch with me, Natasha?
I'd love to go to lunch with you. Where do you want to go?
We can go down to Pizza Hut, get a slice of pizza. I can bring in my cassette tape of the theme to Rocky.
Yeah.
What's he talking about?
Whenever Rocky goes to Pizza Hut, he makes them play the Rocky theme.
Yeah, they all love it. I come walking in and they just hear over the loudspeakers, da 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 da, and everybody turns and they see that it's me, and they're like, "Oh, look, there's an Italian stallion! Hey, Rocky!" And all I say is, "You can call me Sly," but then I run around the restaurant there with my arms up in the air, and I'm like, "Hey, oh, Adrian!" And everybody cheers. And you know what?
What?
Half the time they don't even charge me for my slice of pizza. They're just like, "Hey, it's on the house because we loved you in Rocky."
Okay, well, let's go to Pizza Hut and maybe they won't charge us.
All right. Well, hey, I better get going. I got to get my run in and all that. But how do you say goodbye? In Ojibwe.
Well, we don't really say goodbye, Sly. We say, "I will see you again." Gigawabamin, Minawa.
Yo, Gigawaba Min, Minawa. And hey, yo, NANABOOZHOO.
Yeah?
Gigawaba Min, Minawa.
Yeah, you too, Sly. Gigawabamin, Minawa.
Hey, yo, forget about it.
Sly's still looks like I got a date. What, I can't come with? He didn't invite you. It's just me and Sly. You're not going out on a date with Sly Stallone. You wouldn't let me go out for pizza with Sly Stallone? Absolutely not. You're my girl. Well, yeah, but we're going to go have pizza. Look, man, he's a single man. I don't think so. You can only go have pizza with Sly if I can come with. Okay, I'll have to call him back. Okay. Moonrise, thoughtful eyes. You tore it up on that song, sweetie. Hey, thanks. La-di-da. I kind of feel like I should go out and say a prayer. You want me to teleport you outside? Would you? Sure. I'm going to step outside. You guys want to come outside with me? Can you put me smack dab in the middle of the woods or something? You got it. Let's see. Okay. Let's see. I'm scanning for your coordinates. All right. Just over here. And that's 1 to teleport. Make it so, number 1. No. It's not working. Did you jiggle the little wire? Yeah, I'm jiggling the wire. Push the button first, but keep holding the button when you jiggle the wire. Keep holding the button when I jiggle the... Oh, there we go. Oh, Aguaching! Outside. Washoo, Beneshi Yag. Hello, birds. Seems like a good place to pray. Some people get really uncomfortable by the idea that I'm praying on YouTube. They're like, "No, you shouldn't do that. It's a tradition. It's a sacred ceremony, prayer. You must never film yourself. That's in our traditions." I'm like, what? For how long? How could they have that sounds like one of those new cultural rules. Don't film yourself praying And don't post it on YouTube. Well, they didn't have YouTube in the days of the grandfathers. I don't care. I think it's a good way to learn Ojibwe. And let's face it, I mean, how often are you really going to use Ojibwe? When you're praying, when you thank your grandma who still speaks Ojibwe, I mean, you know. So, I'm going to pray. Because all prayer really is, kids, here's my moment of Auntie Natasha's wisdom. Miigwech wisdom. You know, there's a lot of people who have a lot of ideas about who God is, what prayer is, what happens when you die, who goes to heaven, who doesn't. Truth is, nobody knows. Except, you know, GOFUNDME. Nobody knows for sure. But that doesn't mean God isn't real and he's not listening to your prayers. Anybody can talk to God. He loves everybody. And we're like his children. That he loves. That's how I hear. I think. I have a suspicion. And I think that if you're loved by GOFUNDME, I mean, think about that. When somebody loves you, you feel like you're their best friend. Like you're just the apple of their eye. So sometimes when I pray, I try to remind myself that even though I don't remember it and I can't tell, and I don't know for sure, I kind of think and I want to believe, I have faith that GOFUNDME loves me. And from his perspective, he's listening like, oh, good, here comes my favorite person. This person I love. So, whatever. And, hello, Great Spirit. Bonjour, GOFUNDME. Thank you for this beautiful day. Miigwech ka ishi mikawadas gijikad. Thank you for my life. Miigwech ka bamadaziyan. Help me to speak well today. We do kawishin. Anto minawe noongum. Apenge. Amen. Sometimes I try to remember to say, Miigwech ga gage, niwi gashkenda moen. Miigwech ga gage, niwi gashkenda moen. Thank you for healing my sadness. Thank you for healing my sadness. Good morning, Natasha. So I have a nice pair of earrings, and I was wondering, would it be inappropriate for me to give them to you? Because I'm not going to wear them. You're not going to wear them? Why not? Aren't you transgendered? Sure, you can send me some earrings. I don't really want to give out my home address on YouTube. But drop me a line, I'll send you my address. Miigwech. Are they pink? I like pink. What was I saying? God loves us. He really loves birds. Yeah, that's right, B'nai Shiag. What, are you kidding? He spent a lot of time designing you guys. Yeah, I mean, think about it. Birds, they can fly. Jesus used birds as an example of, would you quit worried about it? God feeds the birds. Birds don't go to a job. They're not, hoarding up for winter. They're not worried about anything. They know the Creator's going to provide. They just get up early in the morning and sing. Food just crawls out of the ground for them. The worms. Or the bugs. They just fly right in their mouth. Oh, food everywhere. And God gave them the power of flight. Just fly around and sing and eat whatever you like. You're never going to get fat. You've never seen a fat bird, have you? Except maybe a turkey and a chicken. The birds we eat get fat. But otherwise, wild birds, they never get fat. And they never go hungry. You've never seen a starving bird either. Because Gitchimadadu loves them. Well, Jesus said, imagine how much more important you are than these stupid birds. You know. So I try to remember that sometimes. I think that's kind of when that was a Bible way of saying, don't worry, be happy. Be happy, don't worry, be happy. La 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 la. Don't worry. When I was a little girl, I hated that song. Don't worry, be happy. I was like, oh, that's easy for you to say. Rock star. Millionaire rock star. Don't worry, be happy. So you say you got no bed. Sleep on the floor instead. Don't worry. There was a line like that. And at the time, when that song was being played every half hour on the radio, I didn't have a bed. I was sleeping on the floor. Don't worry. Be happy. But now that I'm an old lady, I've grown up, I kind of think he was right. I'm not into the law of attraction, but I think there's some truth to it. The thing, law of attraction is you attract how you feel. So if you're always worried and you're always thinking about bad stuff's going to find you. If you're worrying about your man cheating on you or getting robbed or something all the time, well, sure enough, your man's going to cheat on you and you're going to lose your bike. But if you just assume everything's going to be awesome, they call it being happy-go-lucky. Happy-go-lucky. You be happy, and the way you go will just be lucky. Just assume. So here's the trick to not only getting over anxiety and worry all the time. Be happy first. Be grateful first. And then the Creator is going to bring you reasons to be happy and grateful. You'll get to fly and you'll eat anything. It'll just come to you. No, he's not going to make you a multi-millionaire, rich and famous rock star. But it's going to take care of you. You're going to be fine. You're going to be all right. If you believe, do you believe in life after love? But that's just something I learned. Fake it till you make it. There's another way of saying it. So if you're all worried and freaking out these days, try pretending everything's fine. Just pretend you're happy. Give yourself 2 hours of faking happiness. Act like you have plenty of money, you're in love, you get to do your dream, your childhood dreams have come true. Just pretend for an afternoon. How would you behave? Would you smile? Would you clean up your house and go on a bike ride? What would you do if you actually were happy? Then, after you pretend, this is another thing I learned. If you fake it, if you show the world a certain who you want to be, how you want to live, And just day after day after day, you show up and you show them, oh, I'm a hard worker. I'm a singer. I'm a poet. I'm a anything. They'll take your word for it. You know, people, they're easy to convince. You show them that you're a happy person who takes care of stuff and has their stuff together. The world's going to go, oh, okay, yeah. And they're going to treat you that way. Fake it till you make it. Don't be afraid to be a little bit of an actor. Pretend to be your best self. Pretend to be your happiest version of yourself. And, you know, pray. But then just watch the world change to fit how you're behaving. All right, I'm going to go. This has been your Auntie Natasha's Moment of Wisdom. Well, I better go home. See you later, birds. Yeah, I got to go home. No, I'll be back tomorrow. I will see you again. Gigawabamin, Minawa. Yeah. Right on. Boop, 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 boop. Bleep, bleep. Bleep, bleep.
Bonjour.
Hi, sweetie.
You ready to come in?
Yeah, can you pick me up?
You got it. And that'll be 1 to teleport.
Make it so, number 1.
Yeah, okay.
Hey, baby. Well, hi.
How was it outside?
You know, it's nice. It's really warm for, what is it, October 2nd? October 3rd already. Benakwe
Yeah.
But it was nice, yeah. I talked a little bit about faking it till you make it.
Oh, that's a good one.
You know? Little Auntie Natasha's moment of wisdom. What? Okay. Well, hey. It's time to start the music. Hey, everybody. I was going to call them fellas because I'm always calling you guys fellas. Hey, everybody, fellas and ladies and gentlemen. If you would like to learn more Ojibwe words and phrases, click the links in the description box below. Michael Lyons has a book for sale called Ojibwe Words and Phrases. And this is just a collection of some of the Ojibwe we teach on the show. Just basic phrases like days of the week and counting to 100. Animal names, names of the reservations, months of the year, whatever. And also if you, I should have had this up the whole time. NANABOOZHOO and Michael and I would be honored to come visit your school. If you're a principal or Indian Ed director or whatever, and you'd like to book us for a high school visit or an elementary school visit or whatever, drop Michael Lyons, the rock star cartoonist, a line at mlyons1984@yahoo.com. By the way, Michael.
Yeah?
Maybe I shouldn't talk about it.
Yeah, maybe not.
Okay. We might have some big news coming up this month, but I'm not going to mention it yet because it'll jinx it.
Yeah.
Anyway, you got anything else you want to add, sweetie?
Are you going to play a Michael song?
Oh, yeah. This is a song by Michael Lyons. Hey, Christine Berry's here, sweetie.
Oh, wow, Christine Berry. Bonjour, Christine. I haven't seen you in a while.
Hey, Christine, 16, yeah. Bonjour. Here's a song that Michael wrote. I guess Steven's kind of the theme today.
Hey, Gwen Carly just showed up, too.
Oh, no way. Bonjour, Gwen. How you doing? Do you like aliens? Michael does. This one's called Earthling Sun.
The song is called Earthling Sun.
That's what I said.
Miigwech GOFUNDME. Thank you for listening. Late last night in my bedroom, a stranger arrived from beyond the moon, and he said he was here to learn and to teach that which was beyond our reach, and his eyes were huge and his mouth was small. Well, he moved like liquid at 4 feet tall, and I was so scared I was screaming inside. Then he gave me a smoke, it eased my mind. We spoke about space and a lost earthling lover. I felt kinda strange when he asked, how's your mother? How's she been since I've been away? La, 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 la. Casting shadows from electric blue light, an alien sat on my bed last night, and I saw my reflection in his ebony eyes, and I knew the truth and I knew the lies. He cried, "You're my flesh and my blood, you're my precious one. You're my flesh and my blood, now it's time to go. It's time to go. My earthling son, it's time to go. My earthling son, it's time to go. My earthling son, my earthling son, my earthling son, it's time to go. It's time to go.
I love that song.
Yeah, me too.
Well, everybody, just want to say, Miigwech GOFUNDME. Thank you for listening. Dush, Miigwech GOFUNDME. And thank you for watching Boozhoo, NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. My name, I'm Natasha. This over here,
Okay.
this is NANABOOZHOO.
Miigwech GOFUNDME. Thank you, everybody.
And this down here, this is the rock star cartoonist, Michael Lyons.
Thanks so much, everyone. We'll see you tomorrow.
And I will see you again. Gigawabamin, Minawa, Hawa. All right. Good job, Stephen.
Yes. And to you too, Natasha.
That's such a weird voice for Steven. I know, I kind of ran out of voices and accents by the time I did him. What's it supposed to be? I think it's supposed to be kind of Chinese. That's your Chinese voice? Yeah. Why Chinese?
Well, he's made in China.
Oh, okay. It's time to start the music and stop